Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and use a OTG adapter for a USB drive on your Samsung phone. So you can see this one came with my Samsung phone, with my Samsung S9, but it's USB-C right here, and then USB on the bottom, and this allows me to connect my USB drive right here, or you can just get a different adapter that's USB to USB-C that looks like this. So you connect this to the bottom of the phone where it charges. So when you have it connected now, you can go up from the bottom, just swipe up from the bottom, and you want to go to Files. So let's do this now. So swipe up, let's go to Search, and go to Files. And then we can go to My Files, tap this, and you should be able to see your USB drive on here now. Going down to USB storage, tap this, and you can see everything on here. Now to transfer files to it, locate your images. We can go to images or videos under here. And then just tap and hold it. And then you can tap all right here. So let's just tap this and go to copy. Go on over to our USB storage, tap that. Then locate it in like a folder, or you can just copy here. So this is going to transfer over to my USB drive now, my pen drive. And I should be good to go. So it's very easy to connect it once you get the proper adapter. Just go to Files. Now if this isn't showing up on your phone, it's probably because it's the wrong format. With your Android system here on your phone, it has to be formatted EXFAT or FAT32. If it's NTFS, you're going to have to go to your computer, change it, and it's very easy. And then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.